Now, there's certain things in life that you buy and you're like, where were you my whole entire life? And honestly, this funnel is going to change everything you think about funnels. Now, let's show you a traditional funnel and how this works and essentially how it always goes wrong. So we're going to do a quick demonstration of your typical topping off or adding oil after an oil change. So you take off the oil cap and you're going over there and you're trying to put this in. Right, well, first off, this one fits in there kind of nicely, but if you think about it, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're too tall, sometimes they're too short. This one, I actually cut it so it could be, so it wouldn't be sticking out too far, but still, it's kind of loose, right? And check this out, whenever you're putting oil, it can move around and it's an old design. Now our new design is actually, it says for Honda because you take it and you go ahead and you screw it in. And at that point in time, when you're putting oil, you're not going to drip because there's a rubber seal in between there, which makes it a nice sealed funnel, which is really cool. So you saw the Aries funnel in action, and to tell you right away, I am super stoked because whoever developed these or designed these, it's one of those type of companies or people or teams that you just have a lot of respect for because it was really well made. I mean, just the design, the feel. This is a must-have if you do your own oil changes. Now, I'm putting the link for this one, which works on the NSX and any Hondas, in the description. But go check out their store on Amazon if you have another make and you want to get one for that one as well. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. It's always fun to find stuff like this. I love doing testing, analysis, just anything that has to do with cars and engineering. Well guys, you stay safe, take care, and we will talk to you soon. So you saw this awesome funnel in action, and I believe it's called Aries. Let's start over. What is it called?